Isn't it fascinating how the cosmos influences us? The sun shines brightly, guiding our days, while the moon, reflecting its light, dances with our emotions and tides. The term lunatic reminds us of this connection, a nod to how lunar energy can stir the mind. But it goes deeper. Our very essence is intertwined with celestial vibrations. Consider Saturn, a planet often feared, yet it nudges us toward introspection when life feels chaotic. Those tough periods? They're not just random. They're cosmic invitations to explore our inner wealth. And what about Ayurveda? Ancient wisdom links specific herbs to our bodies, creating a tapestry of connection that's both intuitive and profound. When the planets shift, so do our moods, reminding us that nothing is permanent. The key is understanding these cycles, not to feel trapped, but to embrace them as opportunities for growth. Whether you're facing challenges or celebrating successes, remember, the universe is always guiding you, nudging you inward, encouraging you to seek deeper truths. So next time you feel the weight of the world, look up. The stars have a plan, and you're part of it.